Hello, my friend. Now we are test your climb packing machine. Now here to feeding raw material. And here is all to sealing the zip lock. And here is the hotting cutting to feeding the film in the bag. And here is the Russia language. And also have English. And right now the speed is 41 bags per minute. And here also have the raw material feeding. Okay. So let's go. Here to feeding the client. Okay, very stable. Thank you for your watch. And about the zipper fuel roll, we will finish tomorrow, so we can deliver your machine this month, this week. Thank you for your watch. Bye bye.